Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to view all recent activity on Yahoo Mail. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail app, which of course I've done right here. Now of course the next thing is, how can you download the Yahoo Mail app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar type Yahoo Mail and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing and clicking on the open button, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for Yahoo Mail. Over there, you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account, on whichever one you choose. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Yahoo Mail. So now down here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to view all recent activity on Yahoo Mail. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture, and it takes you here where you have upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, you have add another mailbox, you have manage accounts, you have notifications, you have settings, you have feedback. Now click on manage accounts. Yahoo Mail is highly security sensitive, so all the information displayed here are too personal for Yahoo Mail to display to the public. But I'm going to show you what to do here. Now in this window, you're going to see use this account in Yahoo Mail, and you see your email address and you see account info. So go ahead and click on account info, and it takes you to the next window where you have overview, you have personal info, you have security, and you have recent activity. Now click on recent activity, and after doing that, confirm your identity, and that's going to take you over to the next window where you can now see your recent activities. Now here it says this is where you can check any recent changes to how you access your account, from creating a new password to connecting a new device. In most cases, you'll see updates that you've made, but if you spot something suspicious, you'll be able to take fast action here too. So you can see all your recent activities, you can see your connected devices and applications, and your recent activities that when the app was added, phone number was added, just whatever you want to track, you're going to find them here. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.